In modern urban life, every day is consumed by work, commuting, meetings, and the endless notification. The constant race to be positive quietly drains our emotional energy, leaving us mentally fatigued. 67% of Malaysian employees report burnout, and the Malaysian is the second worst work-life balance among 60 high GDP nations. Even when our body keep moving, our mind are exhausted, and the simple right to slow down is often forgotten. I grew up in the countryside where life felt calm and simple. Moving to the city, everything speed out, and I lost the rhythm I once had. What's the rush? Use ASMR and ambient sound to create a clamping soft frame of quiet, everyday moment. Viewer can choose city or countryside and change playback to time 2 or time 5. An ironic, reflective way to see how rushing is ingrained. Built-in Unity with Makey button is link video, UI, and input. Each press like sound and motion, immersing you in your chosen beat. This project aligns with SDG 3 and SDG 4, promoting mental well-being and balance in life.